What mic is this? This is the Rode Procaster microphone. Take a look at it. So this is the Rode Procaster. It's actually like bigger than it might look. It's got a shock mount here, so it can absorb the shock, and it's plugged into. This is actually a Rode boom arm. Like I can move this arm up and down wherever I want. When I'm done, I can actually like move it out of the way and like off to the side if I need to. This microphone, if you like the way it sounds, like the way this thing sounds, I would say for its tier, it is one of the better microphones. You won't see a lot of creators using it. It's XLR, so it really requires a mixer. A lot of entry-level creators or live streamers in the gaming space, they'll use USB mics first. You cannot USB this thing, so this is definitely going to be like not a beginner's tier microphone. I think this would be a little more of like a mid-tier microphone. But if you like the way it sounds, and I do, the audio quality on this thing is amazing. The Rode Procasters are solid mics. You do have to point it kind of like straight at your mouth, so it's not one of those mics that can like sit or hang up top. It has to kind of be pointed at you. Let's see. But it is meant to be paired with this board setup. I might be looking at some other mics soon just to play around and be able to recommend some new stuff. I've been using this one for so long. I love it. I enjoy it. I've seen no negative things to say about it. Only good things. Sounds great. At least I think it sounds great.